Hello, everybody. My name is Dominic DiMaria. I'm an agent with Porcupine Real Estate, and we're here today with JL Sweeney from Sweeney Title Services. Hello, JL.
How are you?
Great. So thank you for joining us. We're here to talk about a few things about titles, and who better to do it than the man himself. So today we're going to talk about title insurance. So what is title insurance? How does it work? And any situations that you've had that title insurance has come in and played a big factor?
Sure. Title insurance is a separate policy that you can purchase when you buy your home. And it covers for any deficiencies in the title that may not have been found during the title search that either your attorney or your title company did. It's a one-time fee. You pay it upfront. It covers you forever. And God forbid there's a title problem, the title insurance company typically would step in. They would either defend that claim, or if there was a loss associated with the property, they would pay you for the value of that.
Now, when you say deficiency, what does that mean?
There could be a variety of things. It could be an undischarged mortgage in the chain of title. It could be that there was a fraudulent deed on record, and there's more and more fraud every day. Could be a discrepancy with lot lines, survey issues, encroachments. There's a million different things that could pop up that unfortunately can't be found during the title search process.
Okay. So any situations where you've had somebody have a good or bad experience with it?
I had one recently where a woman had bought her property about 15 years ago. She's lived there ever since. Everything looked good. She went to sell it only to find out that when she did purchase it, the mortgage from the prior owner had never been properly discharged at the Registry of Deeds. Mm-hmm. The bank, unfortunately, had gone out of business, and there was no successor bank with which to now issue a discharge. The only way to fix that was, unfortunately, to do what's called a petition to quiet title in the court, which, if you didn't have the title insurance, would be a very expensive proposition, $10,000, $15,000. For her, she was able to make a claim with her title insurance company. They filed the petition. They paid the expenses associated with it. About 60 days later, the issue was rectified. She was able to sell her house free and clear, no issues. So that's a huge cost savings when you take into account that your average title insurance policy may run you, $700, $800, and that'll cover you forever.
That's great. So do you find that most people go for the title insurance, or is it?
Yeah, I would say that in my experience, about 99% of all home buyers end up getting an owner's title insurance policy. And I tell them it's sleep insurance. Chances that you're going to use it is pretty much nil, hopefully. But God forbid you ever do, you could never hire an attorney to fix the problem for what it costs you to buy that title insurance policy.
Yeah, especially over the cost or over the length of the entire time too. So it's good to have that, I'm sure.
No doubt about it. I wouldn't buy a property without it.
Okay, thank you very much, JL. How can people reach you?
Call me anytime. My office number is 603-883-0711. My cell phone is 603-966-8050. And my email address is jlsweeney@sweeneylaw.com.
Great. And thank you again for joining us here today, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you, Dominic. Appreciate it.
Thank you.